Almost done with the build. Everything's hooked up. Battery, controller, stash the wires, 4-piston hydraulic brakes, front shocks. Get horns and lights and turn signals on this thing later. Throttle controller. Rear shock. I think it's beefy. Hydro, of course. Hydro rear brake. And then I got the graphics kit. Plastics that are gonna go on there. So, yeah, just gotta install the graphics, plastics, the seat. So final steps. Almost done with this thing. Turn that bad boy on. Let's give this thing a go. Whoa, buddy. Thing's got some power. Thing's gonna be a wheelie machine. Yeah. It's a fun project. Building out 2 more of these. Anyway, it's my little mini Suron. Built for my son so he can do wheelies, because gas bikes are too challenging. Peace.